I created Cocoy AI, primarily this YouTube channel documenting my journey with AI, conversations with folks going through the same journey of AI, and how it might fit within a creative process. My hope is to get creative people to take a seat at the table of building AI into something that will serve as an enabler to do amazing things, rather than the external threat to be avoided at all costs. For creative people, AI threatens the joy of creation. As it stands today, AI seems to be targeting the parts of the creative process that designers, artists, content creators, and critical thinkers want to spend their time doing, rather than the repetitive, mundane, everyday tasks that suck the joy out of life. We cannot ignore that AI steals from the creative people's IPs and helps democratize access to the mediocre representations that look like they were made by their original creators. This is true about visual as well as written word. What I see happening is a massive pullout from a portion of underrepresented groups from participation in AI's infancy. That's where we are, which poses another risk in that data used to train the AI models will become increasingly biased in the narrow view that mimics whoever created that model. As we can see in Midjourney and ChatGPT, programmatic or fictitious blocks have been placed so that people cannot use the model to create what is potentially possible, but deemed immorally or legally wrong in some cases to the specific company that made the model. But whose morals and laws are the right ones? What is freedom? The technology is rapidly changing and accelerating. It's important to have representation in the emerging models to get to the future that we want to see. AI threatens to wipe out 80% of the current jobs as we know them, and using up large amounts of natural resources, but can also create new opportunities that we can't even fathom yet. We're in the wild west of AI. It's gonna get worse before it gets better, and I'm in it for the journey. Right now, AI isn't punny capable. Even if you describe what you want to make into a pun, asking AI to make a joke is barely chuckleable. I would still love to be able to use AI to clone different aspects of me for various tasks trained on my writing, drawing, and general IP. So far, AI has helped with brainstorming, getting to high level, although not the best insights for synthesis, and it's reasonably okay-ish at keeping to a rhyming meter, at least for a couple prose before going off the wall. So it has its limitations. However, this is the worst it's ever going to be. My thoughts are to gain enough knowledge and skill to be able to have one of the few jobs that remain left as we shift into discovering the new opportunities that AI will create. We will see how it goes. I am still on the roller coaster of thoughts between what is left for my kids, and this will make it so much easier for people to make their ideas into reality. What do you think? Where are you in the process of participating in or pulling out of the AI conversation? Let me know in your comments. I'd love to hear from you. Stay creative. Bye.